over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Saddam.
Okay, Tubos. No, we never said Tubos. 1-0, 3 points.
Yeah.
And that game later,
Yeah.
it have 5 goals and 3 points.
Ligi ya Queen Wanamane.
Yeah, Pitori.
Yeah.
Never.
That game was too poor. Welcome to chance by equalizer, but the game is poor.
You are the first person. As a TV saying, as a TV younger prison here, Bolaya. Yeah. The first person in the world. That's a younger prison here, Bolaya. You're prison. Nobody has so Bolaya. You're prison. Nobody has so Bolaya. Why would the game be poor, man? I really give me it.
Aita Polokwane City, after the sabotage and so on, Polokwane City Aita game. Man, unexpected.
Was Sundowns lucky?
He liked that, yeah.
Look at my Chiefs people, right?
As the same.
Because I want to win away. Because